Running an AI assistant on your machine is powerful, but if you're not careful, it has access to everything. Your files, your passwords, your SSH keys. Here's how to run OpenClaw securely using Docker. Without Docker, the assistant has full access to your system. With Docker, it's isolated. It only sees what you explicitly share. Think of Docker as a locked room inside your house. Bare metal gives the keys to everything. Docker gives access to just one room. You need 3 things: Docker Desktop, an Anthropic API key, and a Telegram bot token. Install Docker from docker.com. For Mac, pick Apple Silicon or Intel. For Linux, use your package manager. Get your API key from console.anthropic.com, create a key, save it somewhere safe. Add $10 to $20 in credit to start. Create a Telegram bot. Open botfather, send /new bot, pick a name and username. Save the token. Clone OpenClaw and run the setup script. It builds the Docker image and walks you through configuration. Edit your .env file. Add your Anthropic key and Telegram token. Save it. Launch with Docker Compose up. Wait 30 seconds. Check the logs to confirm it's running. Send a message to your bot on Telegram. Approve the pairing in terminal. You're connected. For security, set spending limits on Anthropic. Use Telegram pairing so only you can talk to the bot, never expose Docker ports to the internet, and keep Docker updated. To update OpenClaw, stop it, git pull, rebuild, and restart. Takes 1 minute. To change Claude models, edit config.json5, swap the model name, restart. Done. Full documentation at docs.openclaw.re. Join the community on Discord. Link in the description.